Well, it is a manic Monday around here. Got a lot of work done, but a lot that didn't get done too. So I decided we'll have something fun for dinner. So tonight we're gonna have my version of the crunchy, cheesy Gordita Crunch, or whatever. Mine's gonna have beef and this cheddar and stuff in it. And I even made the spicy jalapeno ranch stuff like Taco Bell, kind of like theirs. I think it's a little bit different, but I mean, it's at home, so what can you do? Oh, here's how you make them. Mix up your jalapeno ranch sauce first and then put that in the fridge so it has a chance to marry and be ready when you put your tacos together. Then you want to do your ground beef with your taco seasoning, your water, and your salt and pepper, and get that ready and set that aside. Lay out your tortillas and sprinkle some cheese on them, and you're going to put them in the oven on 400 for 5 minutes when the time comes. And make sure your other taco shells are cooked and hot and ready too. It takes a little bit to put these together. You kind of smush it together, and then I set them in there in those little trays, and then you can fill them with whatever you like, but this is what Taco Bell fills it with. These are so good. They'll make your adult children come visit. I tell you what, they're messy as can be, but make sure and push everything down. And also, here's another bonus. You can make extra, put them up, and they'll warm up great in an air fryer or an oven. And everybody's gonna love them.